Hi guys, in this video I am going to share with you the easiest way by which you can easily download the latest Gcam or Google Camera port for your smartphone. Also we will discuss about how to check camera to API, what are configs and how to load them on your Gcam. So let's begin. First of all, let's talk about camera to API. Go to Play Store, search for manual camera compatibility app and just install this app. Now tap on open button and tap on start button. It will take few seconds to show all the results. As you can see, all the results are green. That means camera to API is properly supported. Now camera to API or this app is kind of a tool which tells us whether the camera to API is supported or not. If your phone shows all these 5 features enabled or green, that means camera to API is properly supported on your device and you can easily install the Google camera on your device. Now finding the latest Gcam for your smartphone is a quite tricky part, or you can say hard task, but you can always download the latest Gcam from gcamports.com. You can simply search for this website in your Chrome browser and you will see all the contents here. Now tap on page contents and you can see download latest Gcam ports and scroll here and you can download the latest version. Again tap on download button, which is latest 9.2 port, and you can download BSG Big Kaka, and you can also download for various devices or OEMs like Samsung, OnePlus, Realme, Poco, Xiaomi. I will choose Xiaomi part and here I will choose BSG or MGC, and the latest version is 9.2.113 and you can see all the download details here. Now the latest Gcam is almost downloaded on my device. Once downloaded, now tap on this downloaded file and you can allow all the permissions here like settings, allow from this, and just tap on this install button. It will install the Google camera on your phone. If you have already installed any Gcam, just uninstall that before installing this version, because it will create some conflicts with signatures. And just tap on this open button. I will show you. Here is the Google camera and you can download the latest Google camera, as I already mentioned, from gcamports.com. We always updates latest or various Google camera ports on our website. Let me show you some cool features of Gcam or Google camera. First of all, swipe up to access all the photo settings. Here is the Pro mode and you can even customize Pro settings here: ISO, shutter speed, focus, white balance, exposure, etc. And just reset this button if you don't know how to use them. And you can directly switch from here to record a video. Here is the settings: 4K 60 FPS maximum supported in BSG latest. Slow motion is here. Now all the latest features are already available in latest 9.2 version. As you can see, night mode, panorama, photosphere or portrait mode is here, and just tap on this button to access again the latest settings. And if we go to this and tap on mode settings, you can see here are the configuration of modes. Here are all the settings you can customize according to your taste. Here are all the focus tracking settings and grid settings. Even video stabilization is here. Now what are config files? Configs are basically predefined settings. You can easily load them on any Gcam. Actually config files are not available for all devices, but hey, don't worry, you don't need to install any config files or download any config files for your smartphone. Just download the Google Camera 9.2 version on your smartphone and you are ready to go, as it doesn't require any complex settings. Here is a bonus tip for you. You can also join our Gcam Ports Telegram channel to find the latest Google camera at one place. As you can see, all the latest Google camera are already published here with their proper changelog. Just go to Telegram and search for Gcam_ports and you will see this Gcam Ports Telegram channel. Just click on that join button and you are ready to go.